cable that moves the world. A beautiful harmony that moves our hearts. LS Cable is leading that harmony. Leading solution, LS Cable. Illuminating every corner of the world and spreading warmth to every corner of the world. LS Cable is presenting you with a richer, more convenient life. From power plants to industrial sites and living spaces around the world, LS Cable is establishing an energy network that transmits reliable and powerful electricity. From extra high voltage underground power cables and accessories manufactured by leading technologies and cutting-edge facilities and recognized on the world market, overhead transmission lines and optical composite ground wires that achieved high capacity and lighter weight, and distinguished construction technologies including live line installation methods, to monitoring systems that can check the problems in the lines and high-temperature superconducting power cables with zero power transmission losses. LS Cable is securing global competitiveness through leading technologies and new businesses. Focusing on developing new overseas markets such as China, Northeast Asia, the Middle East, as well as America and Africa, LS Cable is providing the optimal total solution that includes manufacturing and construction engineering of extra high voltage power cables to repairs and maintenance. From large buildings and factories to vehicles, vessels, aircrafts, and train cars, LS Cable's cutting-edge technology is exceeding the demands of the customers and the market. From environmentally friendly, halogen-free, flame-retardant cables and automotive, train wires and cables with high heat and fire resistance, to shipboard and offshore cables recognized by the world, as well as LS Cable's original magnet Litz wires for high-definition monitors and the bus duct systems that transmit high-voltage electricity safely. LS Cable is becoming a leading company, appreciated by the customers around the world with its eco-friendly technologies that value people and nature. Sharing happy moments with a friend on the other side of the globe. A communication network of sharing our hearts. LS Cable is connecting the world with a single cable. An ultra-high-speed information society where you can share any information with anyone around the world using a single strand of thin optical fiber. From optical fiber cables that began the multimedia era to the world's largest optical fiber preforms and optical accessories and apparatus including optical transmission modules as well as 10 gigabyte LAN cables and coaxial systems that make wireless information systems closer to reality. LS Cable is constructing an information superhighway with the world's leading manufacturing technology and establishing an optical communications network with every household through FTTH. An ultra-high-speed information world that connects people, the world, and the present to the future. LS Cable is making the construction of a perfect communications network beyond race and borders one step closer to reality through its leading information transmission technologies. Meeting the world we've dreamt of, a smaller, lighter world. LS Cable is creating a greater tomorrow with more delicate and microscopic technologies. LS Cable's cutting-edge electronic components and materials technology are opening the doors to a new, more convenient future. By developing various connectors and anisotropy conductive film used in cutting-edge IT equipment and display devices, such as LCDs and PDPs, leading frames for integrated circuits, the PC cooling device, heat spreaders, flexible printed circuit boards using thin copper foil technology, and ultracapacitors that are praised as the next generation energy storage unit. LS Cable is making the new media of the digital era and advanced functions of various electronics into reality through development of various ultra-precise components and materials in the IT field. Valuing people and the environment. LS Cable's mechatronics technology is providing convenience and abundance to its customers. Understanding people and valuing customer safety, LS Cable's tractors are recognized for their quality and performance in the European and North American markets. And LS Cable has also successfully developed Korea's first automated tractors and their test operations. The injection molding machine business that produces products in every size from small products to 4,000-ton products is also expanding its business areas into high-speed, high-precision electric injection molding machines. Also offering environmentally friendly air conditioning systems with outstanding efficiency, LS Cable is securing itself as the new leader of the machinery industry with its unparalleled technology and continuous overseas expansions. A company that understands its customers and meets the customers' needs and values its customers as its family. This is LS Cable's promise to you. The future is only created by innovations. The R&D division is the incubator of LS Cable's technology and is exploring new fields with endless innovations and challenges. Establishing a cutting-edge IT network, transmitting high-voltage energy safely, turning key technologies into products, and developing new materials and highly functional products. LS Cable is focusing all efforts into developing new technologies in all of its business divisions, including electric power systems, cables and wires, optical communications, electronic components, and materials and machinery. From China, India, and Russia, to the United States, Northeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, based on its unparalleled technology in information and energy transmission, LS Cable is creating a synergy effect of electronic telecommunications components and material fields, and gaining global competitiveness for the world market. Your #1 creative partner. This motto is LS Cable's firm determination to become a world-leading company with the customers by providing the world's #1 products. The leading solution company that transmits information and energy transmission technologies for a greater world. LS Cable. As the partner appreciated by its customers around the world, LS Cable is making the dream of becoming a world-leading enterprise into reality. LS Cable.